I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we have to tell you about a cute new house over in Panama City Beach off of North Lagoon.
Yes.
Great location.
Perfect location to the Publix, to the dining, all of it.
All the things.
Yep.
So it's nestled in the back of a neighborhood called Palm Bay, and it's actually in a little section called Palm Grove.
Yep.
Affordable living, affordable HOA. This home's got a brand new roof.
Brand new roof.
And
yes.
4 bedrooms.
With 4 bathrooms, full ensuite.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It has your own private pool that's enclosed, attached to a beautiful summer kitchen area, lots
Absolutely.
of outdoor living.
Yep.
You have a lot of different access points going to that outdoor pool area. And in addition, the master bedroom and the master bath,
It's its own wing.
Okay.
Yes,
and
that bathroom, yes, overlooks the pool and that outdoor Florida living with all that sunshine.
A lot of natural light.
Yep.
Another thing that I love about this house, 2 living room areas with fireplaces. You have another little kind of master suite on the other side of the house in case you had an in-law that you needed to put over there, or maybe a cranky teenager or something
Right?
like that. You have plenty of space in the kitchen, lots of cabinetry, plenty of storage, a great laundry room, formal dining room.
Yes.
You also have a little room, a bedroom off of the front of the house that could be utilized as a home office.
Absolutely. If you've got a business, they can sneak right in the front door, not intrude in the whole house.
Okay.
So it's great. Perfect for a little business.
Yeah, so it's definitely got a great dynamic floor
Yes.
plan. It's ready for you to add your own personal touches. This 4-bedroom home nestled in the back of Palm Bay at Palm Grove is listed. It's under $500,000, which is a steal for a home over 3,000
square feet.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
In Panama City Beach. If you want to see it, give us a call today.
For more information, look in the description below. You've got the listing to take you to more details about this house.
And don't forget to subscribe to
right.
thebeachshow.com. That's our channel. Ring that bell. Don't miss out on any future videos.